In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Split Traffic tool. This powerful tool lets you randomly choose and execute actions from a list of options. Come join me as I show you how to utilize the Split Traffic tool. Time to make a flow. For our example, we will have 4 options to choose from. Let's start with our message block. Next, we add our Split Traffic tool. Since we have 4 options to choose from, we add 2 more variations. Do note, percentage for all options should total to 100%. An error will be displayed once total percentage isn't followed. The randomness of each option are treated equally. We then add the corresponding action to each variation we've created in our Split Traffic tool. Once done, click Publish to save. Time to test our flow. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions and need support? Our amazing support team is here for you. Our support hotline is at the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect.